Massage your belly for 15 minutes to make it flat. You know how when you have a stomach ache or you feel bloated, you automatically put your hand on your belly? Well, that's your instincts trying to help you find some relief from something that's making you uncomfortable. As always, your instincts are spot on. Touch in the form of massage or pressure is an excellent solution to tons of problems, including belly fat and discomfort. Before you start massaging yourself to a flatter, happier tummy, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on the bright side. That's right, there is a massage technique out there that can flatten out a puffy stomach and smooth out pockets of fat around the midsection. Not only that, it can help with constipation, menstrual cramps, and even boost your immune system. Massage itself brings freshly oxygenated blood to your muscles and internal organs, thus improving your circulation and the function of these organs. Oh, and did I mention you can totally do it yourself from the comfort of your own home? Yes, the movements are very simple and can be performed every day. You can do them lying down or standing up in front of a mirror. Abdominal massages are great if you're struggling with bloating and water retention, as well as decreased self-esteem and anxiety as a result of your puffy belly. Just take it from the experts. In a 2015 study conducted at Taiwan's National Taipei University of Nursing and Health Science, researchers had participants suffering from bloating and excess fluid retention do a 15-minute stomach massage twice a day. After just 3 days, the participants reported decreased abdominal bloating. They also said they felt better overall, both physically and emotionally. When you're first starting to do the massage, experts recommend going slow and being gentle with your body. If you find that some areas of your abdomen are a bit tender, lighten your pressure. Lying down and standing up are both effective positions to take, but most beginners get the best results when lying down on the floor or in a bed. After you feel comfortable performing the techniques lying down, you can then transition to doing them while standing up. While we're at it, here are 3 tips about massage in general that will help you understand the effects and goals on a deeper level. 1. Toxins in your body are released during massage. That's why it's highly recommended that you increase your intake of fluids, specifically water, during this time. This will help your body get rid of those released toxins more effectively and efficiently. 2. If you decide to lie down while doing the self-massage, alternate your knees to either side to give the body a stretch and provide some balance. 3. Be consistent. Be consistent. Become your body's cheerleader and try to get in a couple of 20-minute massages every day. You can do it when you wake up in the morning and before you go to sleep at night. You'll probably start to notice improvements around the 2-week mark. Go abs! Oh, now that's out of the way. Let's talk about the setup and expectations. In terms of oils, it's better to use olive oil or coconut oil. When you pour the oil on your hands, always rub them together to warm them up. To prepare your environment for the massage, turn off your phone or TV and choose a quiet and warm space with low lighting. Do not perform the massage right after eating or if you have a bad stomach ache or the flu. If you perform the massages for menstrual cramp relief, keep in mind that they do increase blood flow. For the best results, you have to combine this self-massage with a low-calorie diet and exercise regimen at least 3 times a week. It's always a good idea to consult your doctor before trying any at-home remedies like massage. To help you get started, here's a sample massage regimen. Step 1. Overlap your hands. Place them on your stomach on top of your navel and take a few breaths. Breathe in by inflating your stomach and exhale by pushing your stomach downward with your hands. Repeat 3 times. This first exercise helps relax your stomach and get it ready for the subsequent massages. Step 2. Pour a little oil on your hands and rub them together. Perform a circular clockwise massage on the entire belly with your palms. Do this 3 times. Step 3. Place your right hand under the left rib and perform small circular massages. Repeat the movement on the other side with your left hand under your right rib. This massage should always be done with the opposite hand. Do 3 repetitions on each side. Step 4. With your right hand, place 3 fingers between your sternum and belly button. Again, do small circular massages, moving diagonally down to your right hip bone and passing over the transverse colon. Repeat with the left hand, moving toward the left hip bone. Do 3 reps on each side. Step 5. With 3 fingers of your left hand, start from the left hip bone and move straight up using circular motions. Repeat on the right side with 3 fingers of your right hand, starting from the right hip bone and going up in circular motions. Again, do 3 on each side. This massage stimulates the ascending and descending colon. Step 6. Place both hands on either side of your belly with your palms facing each other. Then, push your hands towards each other while squeezing your tummy between them. Perform this movement 3 times. Step 7. Next, we're going to try something the French invented to get rid of cellulite. The palpebral roulis technique. It's basically a manual manipulation of the body's cellulite. Simply pinch your belly skin and slide your fingers from bottom to top, each time grabbing a new flap of skin. Do 3 reps. This technique is great for eliminating cellulite. Just know that it can be painful if you have too much flab. Step 8. Grab your belly in both hands and give your stomach a shake. This will stimulate and activate circulation. Doing this 3 times will be enough. Step 9. Finally, perform a circular counterclockwise massage on your entire stomach with the palm of your hands. And, you guessed it, do 3 reps to finish it off. Remember, these tummy massages aren't just effective for flattening the belly. They can also help alleviate discomfort caused by problems like indigestion, constipation, gas, or PMS. Of course, most physical problems bring on emotional stress, so it's great knowing that you can get rid of that too, right? And don't forget that you can add and should use essential oils in a blend for your tummy massage. According to Dr. Axe's Oil Guide, essential oils can fight cold and flu symptoms, relax your body and soothe sore muscles, heal skin conditions, alleviate pain, balance hormones, improve digestion, reduce cellulite and wrinkles. Not to mention, different oils give you different experiences and effects on the body. Here are some ideas for your oil blends. Use 4 teaspoons of sweet almond carrier oil as a base. For a soothing, calming, pain-relieving experience, use 6 drops of lavender and 2 drops of bergamot. For a soft and soothing experience, use 6 drops of sweet orange, 2 drops of geranium, and 2 drops of peppermint. Once you settle on your favorite oil combo, take 1 teaspoon of your chosen blend in your right hand and smooth it all over your belly. Start at your right hip. Use your right hand to stroke up under your rib cage and down your left side across your lower abdomen, making a complete circle. Repeat this 5 times. Starting at your sides, slowly crisscross both hands over the top of your abdomen 5 times. Feel free to use your favorite oils or oil blends to make this a truly unique and customized self-care experience. Have you ever tried abdominal massages to flatten your body, support digestion, or even just as a relaxation technique? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.